but came to earth with a ruby soldier. That by deadly fate was set until the ruby rushed in to hold her. Suddenly they were fusing. Beautiful, strange, confusing. And there I was, a bundle of questions, so naive that if you told me
All right, there she is. One of the most powerful gems in all of existence.
Any idea what Amethyst is up to? I have every
Tonight, we're gonna draw a white diamond.
You'll find her if you hit your little homework.
Finally.
Whoa! Careful, dude! Pew! Pew!
1, 2, 3. Thanks, Amethyst. Steven, you're just in time. We're about to install the new wall.
White Diamond is the leader
83.7%
from the Great Diamond Authority Council.
We'd better get cracking.
When the three of them join forces together, they form the Great Diamond Authority that governs all of Homeworld.
Wow. Little Homeworld's growing fast.
White Diamond's powers include transporting other gems white and controlling them, so that everyone would be just like her. Like, everyone would be complete. Or, if she wants to, since everything's changed in the future, she can project her thoughts into other gems, and she can act just like them. Basically, White Diamond's powers conduct both ways.
So, what do you think?
If I could just stop.
That's White Diamond's true power. Now let's continue, shall we?
Finally done. Finally us. Finally we are in the future. Here we are in the future, and it's bright.
When White Diamond's around, everything should be perfect.
Nothing to fear, no one to fight. I can't believe we've come so far. Happily ever after.
Happily ever after.
Happily ever after. Here we are. Here we are in the future. Here we are in the future, and it's bright.
Yes.
Nothing to fear, no one to fight. I can't believe we've come so far. Happily ever after, here we are. Once upon a time, I thought I'd always be my mother's shadow. Answering for her crimes, I thought I'd always be in an endless battle. Till I began to hold a power all my own, that I could feel growing stronger every day. And now I save the world.
Now here's White Diamond's arms.
Saved. We did it. Here we are in the future.
I meant her legs.
Hey, Pearl. Hey, Dad.
Hey, Stewball.
Steven! I'm learning to play the bass.
I keep telling her it's bass.
Excuse me, B-A-S-S spells bass.
You're the boss.
Heck yes, I am. Once upon a time, I only lived to be of Pink Diamond's service, till the day the two of us snuck down to be on this planet's surface. We became our fantasy, and I was sure she set me free. But in the end, I guess I never left her side. And after love and loss and all the tears that I cried, I find that here we are in the future.
Hey, buddy. I'm heading into town.
See you at the concert tonight?
Wouldn't miss it for the world.
saved you a seat.
Thanks, Garnet. Hey, guys. What'd I miss?
You're just in time for my favorite part of the story. Once upon a time, a sapphire came to Earth with a
Alright,
ruby
next we
soldier.
draw
Sapphire's deadly fate
White
was
Diamond
set
special
until
robe.
the ruby rushed in to hold her. Suddenly they were fusing. Beautiful, strange, confusing. And there I was, a bundle of questions, so naive that if you told me this, I never would have believed you. Then, but here we are in the future.
Let me just save this. Hey, any idea what Amethyst is up to?
I have every idea what everyone is up to. You'll find her if you head to Little Homeworld. Take the walk.
Whoa! Careful, dude.
Pew, pew! 1, 2, 3. Ha! Thanks, Amethyst.
Steven, you're just in time. We're about to install the new warp.
Which means Little
Almost
Homeworld
done.
is 83.7% complete. Only 83.7%. We'd better get cracking.
I'm on it.
Wow. Little Homeworld's growing fast.
So are you.
Look at me. I'm a young adult.
I love that all these gems want to make their new home on Earth. Wish I'd had this when I first emerged. Once upon a time, I burst to life inside of the kindergarten, a product of a war that I had no idea I had a part in. I came out late and alone, knew nothing but my own.
And finished. There she is. That's how you draw a White Diamond. The strongest gem
Part of this family.
on this eternal planet. Finally got it finished. That's all for now. Done. Drew all the diamonds. That's all for now. Please like and watch and subscribe to my channel. Let me know which character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.